Welcome to Amernet, where we provide AI-powered automation solutions tailored for the food manufacturing industry. Our services help optimize healthcare monitoring, sales processes, and customer support to drive operational excellence.
Artificial intelligence is transforming precision farming by significantly increasing crop yields while optimizing the use of resources such as water and chemicals. These AI-driven systems enable tailored farming techniques specific to each crop's needs, reducing environmental impact and promoting sustainability. As this technology gains traction, food manufacturers have a valuable opportunity to integrate AI solutions into their supply chains for more efficient and sustainable food production. Recent breakthroughs in food technology leverage artificial intelligence to advance sustainable food production. Precision fermentation uses genetically engineered microorganisms to produce proteins traditionally derived from animals, offering a sustainable alternative. Meanwhile, automation enhances the efficiency of food processing operations, helping manufacturers reduce costs and meet the rising demand for innovative food sources. As climate change disrupts traditional farming, AI has become an essential tool in addressing global food security. Through precision agriculture, AI improves water efficiency, optimizes crop yields, and minimizes harmful chemical runoff, helping food systems adapt to environmental challenges. Additionally, growing investment in food technology ventures utilizing AI highlights a shift towards innovative, high-tech solutions for sustainable food production. Amernet specializes in AI-powered automation solutions designed to streamline operations and enhance efficiency. Our expertise can help food manufacturers optimize processes like healthcare patient monitoring, sales lead qualification, and customer support management. We are committed to supporting your business transformation through intelligent automation tailored to your unique needs. Let Amernet empower your food production with cutting-edge AI technologies. Amernet would be happy to solve your repetitive tasks to streamline business. Let us know what you think.